Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, can JVM invoke overloaded main method in Java programming? The answer is no. When you create overloaded methods for this main method in Java programming inside a class, can JVM run those all main methods which are overloaded? The answer is no, guys. Okay. Even though you created overloaded methods for the main method in Java, all the overloaded methods of main won't get run by JVM. JVM will only run the default main method. Okay. The default main method only will be run with the help of JVM, but other overloaded methods JVM cannot run. I'll show you practically. So for that, I'll go to this Eclipse ID. Here, I'm going to create a new class. Okay. Running main methods. Okay. Some random name I'm giving. And I'm clicking on finish. Inside this class, I'm going to create the main method. Public static void main string of args. According to the syntax of Java, okay, the main method should be written something like this. Okay. Then only JVM. Okay. If you write the Java syntax like this, JVM will be able to run this program with the help of this main method. Okay. JVM can call this main method if the main method syntax is like this: public static void main, and here string of args should be there. Okay. So no other word should be there here. Okay. Here, apart from public, other things should not be there. Apart from static, other keyword should not be there. Apart from void, other things should not be there. Here, the name of the method should be as it is. And here, string of args, okay, string array of args should be as it is. Okay, if you change anything in this line, JVM will not be able to run this. Okay, JVM can recognize the main method if the main method is written in this format. Okay, understand that. Now, here I'll write inside main method. Okay, now I'm going to create an overloaded method, public static void main. I'm giving the same name. And if I give the same thing, string of args, right, like this, right, compiler will give you the error. Okay. You create a duplicate main method, what will happen with the same keyword, same arguments and all? This method will become a duplicate method of this method, and ultimately we'll get a compiler error saying that duplicate methods cannot be created in Java. So what I will have to do is, I will change the type of the parameters here. Okay. Instead of giving string of args, I'll give something like int a, so that this main method will become an overloaded method of this main method. Okay. Now, if I write system.out.println and say inside overloaded main method like this, if I write the print statement, if I run this code, will JVM will run both these main methods? When I run this code using Java, will JVM will run both of these main methods? The answer is no, guys. JVM can only run the original default main method which has string of args. Okay, string of args as a parameter. So other overloaded main methods which are created just for the sake, right? There is no use, guys. There is no use of creating such kind of overloaded methods, because JVM will only recognize this main method which is having the default string of args. Okay, if any other overloaded main method is there which have different parameter type and all, they will not run. Okay, they will not run. You see, right click here, right click anywhere on the program and say run as. You see Java application. When you run this, only inside main method will be printed. The other thing, like inside overloaded main method, won't be printed at any cost, guys. Okay. So and also if you run this program from command line, also same thing, guys. Okay. No matter what you do, only this default main method will get invoked or called. Okay. The other main methods won't get run. Okay. So that's the thing, guys. That's the thing. Okay. So, though you can create overloaded methods for this main method in Java, but the overloaded main methods cannot be invoked by JVM. But if this main method, if the default main method that JVM can recognize would like to call the other method, then it is possible. Okay. If you write something like a main of 9, then it's possible, guys. Okay. It doesn't act like a real main method, guys. Okay. It acts like a normal method. Okay. But this one is an actual main method that JVM can recognize and run. But other overloaded main methods which have different type of parameters, etc., won't be run by JVM, and we have to make the main method call this kind of methods in order to run. And there is no use of creating the main method, overloaded main methods like this in Java programming. Okay. So hope guys you got an idea whether JVM will be able to run the overloaded methods of main in Java programming. The answer is no. Only the default main method can be run by JVM. Other main methods which are overloaded in Java programming won't be run by the JVM. So with practical demonstration, I have answered this question for you in this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.